Hi guys. Hi guys, good morning. So samahan niyo ako. I'm going to mukbang. Ate, mukbang the marang. So binili ko yung marang na to sa pwesto kung saan ko unang na-discover yung marang. I'm gonna show you some clips later on. I'll eat first. Let's eat first. Samahan niyo ako. Though the seeds are very small, but it's okay. It's still marang and it tastes good. Marang is my favorite food. Before, when I didn't know what marang is back then, my favorite was atis. And then later on, shift to marang. So if you're gonna ask me what's my favorite food, it's marang. Not apple, not oranges, not grapes. Marang is my favorite fruit. Because it's native in my province. There's a lot of this in the mountains of Cadiz City, also in the mountains of Sagay, Colonia Divina. I think they have like Marang Festival, and I hope one day can visit Colonia Divina to have some taste of their Marang. Bark Bark, John Argel Becanaman, charad. This is my favorite. I don't know why, but at first, kung titingnan nyo, it looks like langka, di ba? But I don't eat much langka. Tamad ako tawag dito, maganon, magkuha-kuha. Pero masarap din yung langka. So akala ko hindi ko magugustuhan yung marang. But when I first tasted it, it tastes really nice. So, and the rest is history. So una ko tong natikman is doon sa City Engineers. May nagbibinta doon, may naglalako doon sa bangketa. Sa may SSD. Harap ng PNU. Eh kasi yung bahay namin malapit lang doon sa Talabaan. So nilalakad lang yun para bumili ng ganito. Kasi that time, yung ganito is 5 pesos lang. And still, today, they're selling it still like in a very cheap price. Like ito, magkano na to? Parang 10 pesos lang ata to. Eh ngayon, dito, sa amin, tag 30, 40, 50, so masyado mas mahal siya. So yun guys, kain muna ako. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!